This project began in Oxford, where a property developer asked a design team to give their home a fresh new look, inspired by the quiet elegance of Japanese design. Using AIRIlab, the team translated that idea into vivid, immersive visuals. Let's start in the bedroom. The design team began with a plain white model and used AIRIlab to explore different style directions. They quickly landed on a Japanese aesthetic that felt just right. Then came the client feedback. This wall? Let's go with latex paint. And here? That should be a wall. With AIRIlab, the team made a few local edits, adjusted the lighting, fine-tuned the materials, and just like that, a peaceful Japanese-style bedroom took shape. Now, let's flip the angle. The design team began again, with a plain white model, using AIRIlab to explore visual directions and find the right aesthetic. The client gave a few suggestions. Can we remove these black borders? Let's swap in a bedside table like this. That object feels a bit too modern. Can we go more wabi-sabi? And maybe switch to wooden flooring here? Thanks to AIRIlab, the team quickly refined the scene, adjusting materials, lighting, and layout. The result? A calm, character-rich bedroom. Moving into the living room, same process. A white model, with AIRIlab as the team's visual compass toward a Japanese-inspired look. Feedback this time? Let's use this type of wall paint. An easy fix, a few adjustments, refined lighting, and voila, a calm, cozy living room. Now let's step around to the dining table angle. Again, the team started with a white model and used AIRIlab to set the serene Japanese mood. Feedback came in. Walls? Same paint as before. That's where the fridge goes. Let's use tiles for the floor. They made quick local edits, fine-tuned the details, and adjusted the lighting just right.